Have you ever felt that you are different from others? Have you ever looked at yourself and thought, why am I not like them? If yes, then this story is for you. This is the story of a little crow who had a bent beak and a heart full of questions. Listen carefully, because this story will teach us something very important. In a green forest filled with tall trees and singing birds, there lived a young crow named Kalu. Kalu was kind, smart, and curious. But there was one thing that made him sad every day. His beak was bent. Unlike other crows, whose beaks were straight and sharp, Kalu's beak curved slightly to one side. Every morning, when Kalu looked at his reflection in the pond, his heart felt heavy. Why am I different? He sighed. Why didn't I get a straight beak like others? Feeling left out. The forest was full of birds, parrots with bright feathers, peacocks with shiny tails, sparrows who chirped sweetly. The other crows flew together, played together, and laughed together. But sometimes they whispered. Look at Kalu's beak, one crow giggled. It looks funny, said another. Though they didn't mean to be cruel, their words hurt Kalu deeply. So Kalu started staying alone. He sat on the highest branch of an old banyan tree and watched others play. I don't belong, he thought sadly. One sunny afternoon, Kalu saw a beautiful white swan swimming proudly in the lake. Everyone admires the swan, Kalu thought. And no one laughs at her. That night, Kalu closed his eyes and made a wish. I wish my beak was straight. I wish I looked like other birds. But when morning came, nothing had changed. His beak was still bent. Kalu sighed again. That evening, Kalu flew deep into the forest and met Baba Owl, the wisest bird of all. Baba Owl sat quietly on a tree, his big eyes shining. Why do you look so sad, little crow? Baba Owl asked gently. Kalu told him everything. About his bent beak. About feeling different. About wishing to be someone else. Baba Owl listened carefully and nodded. Then he said, every difference has a purpose. You may not see it yet, but one day you will. Kalu didn't understand. How can a bent beak be useful? He asked. Baba Owl smiled. Time will answer that. A few days later, dark clouds filled the sky. The wind howled. Thunder roared. Rain poured heavily. Animals ran to find shelter. Suddenly, crack! A tall tree near the river fell down and blocked the water flow. The river began to overflow, flooding the forest. Help! Help! Animals cried. Baby rabbits were trapped. Squirrels couldn't climb. Bird nests were falling apart. The forest was in danger. The animals tried everything. Elephants pushed the tree. Deer pulled the branches. Birds pecked at the wood. But the tree was stuck. Then the animals noticed something strange. Fish were trapped between broken roots and rocks under the water. No bird could reach them. Straight beaks were too long. Sharp beaks got stuck. Everyone looked worried. Kalu was watching quietly. His heart beat fast. What if I try? He thought. He remembered Baba Owl's words. Every difference has a purpose. Kalu flew down slowly. I want to help, he said softly. Some animals looked surprised. With that bent beak, a crow whispered. Kalu felt scared, but he didn't stop. Kalu dipped his head into the water. His curved beak fit perfectly between the roots and rocks. He gently pulled out leaves. He lifted small stones. He freed the trapped fish one by one. Everyone watched in silence. Soon, the water began to flow freely again. The flood stopped. The forest was safe. Cheers filled the air. Hooray for Kalu! He saved us. The same birds who once laughed now looked at Kalu with respect. We were wrong, said one crow. Your bent beak is special. Kalu felt something warm inside his chest. For the first time, he smiled at his reflection in the water. His beak hadn't changed, but his heart had, understanding his true worth. That night, Baba Owl visited Kalu. So, the owl asked gently, "Do you still want a straight beak?" Kalu shook his head happily. "No," he said proudly. "My bent beak is part of me. It makes me who I am." Baba Owl smiled. "That is called self-acceptance," he said. "And it brings true confidence. A confident new life." From that day on, Kalu walked proudly. He played with others. He helped younger birds. He shared his story. Whenever someone felt different or sad, Kalu would say, "Being different is not a weakness. Sometimes, it's your greatest strength." The forest never forgot. The crow with a bent beak. Moral of the story: self-acceptance brings confidence. Everyone is special in their own way. What makes you different can make you powerful. Never be ashamed of who you are. Be proud. Be confident. Be you.